Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite things that I use in my shower routine to keep these curls nice and dry and lasting after every shower. It is a shower cap, and this shower cap is from NPTressTreats. So if you would like to get all the details of this amazing multi-use shower cap, then don't go anywhere. Stick around with me, and of course, keep watching. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. I can't believe that I have not filmed this video before. I've actually been meaning to film this video for, I think it's safe to say, years. So a very, very long time. We are going to talk about the shower cap from NPTressTreats. So these are my no product curls. I know, I'm like, I almost can't believe it myself, but these are my no product curls on my recent wash day. And yes, I still got to protect these curls too. So I'm going to be taking a shower in a little bit because I just got done with my early morning routine, going for my walk with Bowser, and this is what I'm going to be using when I hop in the shower. It is a amazing, oversized, huge shower cap from NPTressTreats. And when I first got it, I remember I was like, what are this? Like, what? Oh my gosh. I don't know what material this is. I will be sure to find out and put it in the description box so you guys know. So the outside is this wonderful waterproof material. And then on the inside is this satin. Oh, so soft, so sleek, and wonderful for your hair. So no frizz, it protects your hair. Whether you have wavy, curly, kinky hair, you got straight hair, this shower cap is for all hair types. And it's very, very comfortable on. And it's big. The shower cap is big. It's big. Bigger than my whole head. It's big. Let's see, like, look how much this stretches. Oh my gosh. There's so much room. There's so much room. So it fits a lot of hair in here. I also believe that Alisha from NPTressTreats, that she can custom size some of these items that she sells, including the shower cap. So double check that. And you can even get the satin on the inside, the print custom as well. Not only does the shower cap protect your hair from just the water in general. So you would put the satin side on your head, this nice little waterproof side on the outside, and take your shower as you usually do. Wham bam, done. So I get out of the shower, I remove my shower cap. I do kind of like towel dry it a little bit just so it's not all dripping everywhere, and then I just hang it up in my bathroom and it air dries until the next time I need it. But the shower cap is not just a shower cap. It's also fantastic if you love to do hair conditioning masks. I know I do. You would flip this inside out, and you can, if you want, you can always use like a clear shower cap over if you do anything like that, and then put the cap on, or you can go right to the cap. You just add your conditioning into your hair, wrap up your buns, however you secure your hair up. You could just even just kind of do some twisty twist and then like put this shower cap on with the waterproof side touching your hair, and then the satin side is on the outside. And right here, all the like warmth that it starts to work around your hair. It's going to make even more for an amazing deep conditioning routine for your hair. Whether again you have straight hair or curly hair, this is fantastic. Now, not only can you use it taking a shower, you can use it when you're doing masks. It's awesome to use when you're getting ready in the morning or any time of the day. Let's say you got home from work and you want to get a little more jazzed up to go out that night, and you want to go from your daytime makeup to your nighttime makeup. Get your satin lined shower cap from NPTressTreats. You put your satin side onto your hair, wrap it up. All of your hair is back out of your face, and you can beat that face however you need to get it done, and your hair is out of your way. You don't have to use headband, you don't have to use any like hair clip stuff that's going to affect or you know kind of mess with the flow or the curve of your curls or your hair, your straight hair in general. You can use this and cover up whatever your hair type is, and this will keep it back out of your face. You can do whatever you need to do, and done. I love using it mostly for me in the morning. So if I know my curls, I get them out of my bonnet or my satin scarf or both, and I let them go, I fluff them, I'll put this on instead. So it keeps my hair back. I don't have to put up with a satin scrunchie or anything. I don't have to use a headband or anything to kind of keep the curls back. I use this, and then as soon as I'm done, pull this puppy off, and my curls are ready for the day. I'm sure you're also wondering about cleaning your shower cap? Great question. Got the answer. If you want to hand wash it, I typically do get like a little bin, like a Tupperware kind of bin, and it's one that I use for hand washing specifically. So I will fill it with warm water. I put in the satin line shower cap. I add the liquid detergent of my choice, just start working it in. I'll also flip it the other way as well. Scrub it up with my hands and keep rinsing the water out until it rinses clear, so there's no soap in it. And then once it is out from there, I'll sometimes kind of lay it down, fold it up a little bit and kind of like wring it out some, and then I will lay it down on a flat surface somewhere where it'll get like a fan blowing on it, where it can cool, like not cool off, but dry up. And you don't have to do this either, but I just do this. After a few hours, I'll flip it inside out and do it that way. So this is how I've done it when I have washed it by hand. You can also put it in the washer machine. At least I have, and I've done it for years. And this is like new. The shower cap is like new, and most of the time I put it in the washer machine. And then I put them in one of those little like net bags with the zipper for like the laundry, little net bags for clean, delicate clothes. So I will put it in one of those like I do all of my satin items from NPTressTreats. And I just put it in with any load of laundry that I'm doing. Once that's done, depends on how I'm feeling, I might take it out from the laundry and then do the little lay down for it to air dry, or I just pop it into the dryer and it's fine. This one I've had, again, like I said, for years, and I've washed it probably more times in the washer machine than by hand. It's like new. So you can either air dry it after or pop it in the dryer, and bam, it's ready for the next use. And I'm back. So I went ahead and got ready for the day. I even left the satin line shower cap on to put my makeup on, and it is now time to reveal these curls. So out of the shower, I did kind of like towel dry a little bit, and then as I've been getting ready, it's pretty much, this is like fully dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the removal. I like to start from the back. I'm gonna go up and over, and oh hey, what's up? Let's remove the fluff scrunchie and fluff the curls a little bit. And that's it. You're ready for your day. Look how amazing. All ready to go. Thanks to this shower cap, this satin line shower cap from NPTressTreats. And that is it. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me today and checking out my video of the satin line shower cap from NPTressTreats. So all of my curl friends, my makeup lovers, and my DIY nail techs, I hope that you'll come back next week and join me for another video. Take care. No part of curls. All right, all right, all right. I will double check and leave it in the, that was gonna, okay. It's like a big old bag of holding. Oh, it just keeps going and going.